Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoXplore. In today's video, we have some exciting and officially confirmed updates about one of the most luxurious cars in the world, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero. Mercedes-Benz continues to push the boundaries of automotive design, and the Exelero is a perfect example of this. In this video, we'll be breaking down everything you need to know about this incredible vehicle, from its stunning exterior design to its luxurious interior and groundbreaking performance features. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the exterior. According to the latest updates, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero will feature a stunning and futuristic design that's sure to turn heads. The car will come in a shining white color, which gives it an elegant yet modern appearance. To complement the bright exterior, the Exelero will have subtle blue accents that add an extra touch of sophistication, making it one of the most eye-catching vehicles on the road. The body of the car is a work of art, with sleek aerodynamic lines that not only enhance its performance but also give it a luxurious high-end look. The bold front grille, with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star, paired with sharp, aggressive LED headlights, will ensure the Exelero makes an unforgettable first impression. This combination of modern design and timeless luxury is what sets the Exelero apart from other vehicles in its class. Interior design now, let's talk about the interior, where Mercedes Maybach has truly outdone itself. According to the latest news, the 2025 Exelero will feature a luxurious interior that focuses on the highest level of comfort and quality. The cabin will be adorned with plush leather seats, premium wood paneling, and polished metal accents that give the car a sophisticated and inviting feel. The ambient lighting will create a serene and upscale atmosphere, making every drive a truly luxurious experience. Additionally, the dashboard will incorporate cutting-edge technology, featuring a fully digital display with easy-to-use controls and an intuitive infotainment system. The interior of the 2025 Maybach Exelero is designed to provide both driver and passengers with an unparalleled level of comfort and style. Performance and technology. Moving on to the performance side, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero will be equipped with a high-performance engine that is sure to deliver exceptional speed and power. While exact performance specifications are still under wraps, you can expect the Exelero to have a twin-turbocharged V12 engine that offers both breathtaking acceleration and a smooth driving experience. Mercedes-Benz is known for pushing the envelope in terms of performance, and the Exelero is expected to carry on that tradition. In terms of technology, the Exelero will come equipped with the latest driver assistance features and infotainment technology, including advanced navigation systems and voice controls, all designed to provide the ultimate driving experience. Conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero is shaping up to be one of the most incredible luxury vehicles to ever hit the road. With its stunning shining white exterior, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge performance, it's clear that Mercedes Maybach is aiming for perfection. As always, they are setting a new standard for what a luxury car can be. Thank you for watching today's video on AutoXplore. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive news. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero in the comments below. Until next time, take care and drive safely.